Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you the important setting you need to turn on to protect your browsing experience on Kiwi Browser. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are foreign to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Kiwi browser. So I'm going to click on here to open my Kiwi browser. Just like so. Having opened up your Kiwi browser, next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots from the top. To open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply come down to settings. To open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and go to privacy and security. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply come to save browsing. So click on that. They take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply switch to enhance protection. Click on that, and with that you have safeguard all your browsing from different websites with Kiwi Browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.